Welcome to United by Trucks. Today, we're getting exhaust on UBTK5. We're up at Kent's Muffler, Cleveland, Georgia, right down the road from Chaz's. And we're gonna get some Black Widow Venom 250s put on this thing. Let's go see what it sounds like. Alright guys, so we showed you the startup. We're now about to show you how it'll move under its own power. So we're just gonna pull it forward a little bit and then pull it back, pull the trailer in here so we can get it off to exhaust. So let's fire this thing up. Also, a little extra added bonus is that Ron got all the molding off for our new molding, but a PDR guy came by today, Jordan Anderson with the dent specialist, and got all that nasty stuff out of the door. I mean, there's still a little bit of a crease down at the bottom. What you talking about? Just making that look 1,000 times better. So big thanks to Chaz for recommending him and for him coming over and getting this done so quickly this afternoon. God, I cannot even believe this thing moves under its own power. Alright guys, so we're here with all our Black Widow stuff. Obviously TTR's here. We're going to check this stuff out real quick. So this is the exhaust setup we're going to be running on UBTK5. And Ron's going to open it up and show it to us. And we're going to talk a little bit about it.
I don't know, man. I like it.
Oh, already?
Man.
A few T's? What's this?
Dude, that's a hoodie.
Ooh.
Hoodie.
Dang. Thanks, Black Widow. Brian at Black Widow hooked us up.
Man, they got shirts in here. Let's see what they got. Oh man, I see green. You know I like green.
Dang.
That one there. Oh dude, check out the green one. They must have saw my toolbox.
They must have saw your toolbox. What size is that?
XL, baby.
That's for you. Thanks, Black Widow, man. That's so cool.
Oh man.
So sweet X pipe.
Check it out. I'm gonna set the knife down before I cut
Yeah,
my
for you cut yourself
dude,
with the
check
X
it out,
pipe.
man. That's pretty cool.
Oh yeah. So that's Black Widow's 2.5-inch X pipe. Yeah, man. I love that. That's killer.
Oh man.
Oh, we got a shop banner.
Shop banner.
Got a shop banner. Dang, a big old shop banner.
That thing's cool too, man.
Heck yeah.
It's pretty sweet right there.
The king of sound.
Man.
I'm all over that. Let's get to the good stuff. The even better stuff.
The even better stuff.
There's only one way to TTR's heart. Well, there's a few ways, but I'll say one way is through a t-shirt.
I like t-shirts, man.
Man loves a tee.
I like cake too.
You like cake?
I like cake.
Probably like your kids.
I like donuts too, man. Donuts are amazing.
You probably like your kids like I like donuts.
I like donuts, man. They're good.
Your kids like donuts.
Oh, you talk about eyes glazed over, man.
Oh yeah, man.
That's cool right there.
Dude, that is so cool. Got their
out.
signature little weld marks, burn marks in it.
I like that.
Dude, that is so
I like
cool.
how it follows the...
Yeah. 2.5-inch offset Venom 250s. So we got 2 of those, an X pipe. We're gonna run it and have to dump it probably before the axle. Ron's gonna sing us a tune through this thing. So this is the setup we're going with. We're gonna try to show you as much footage as we can. Getting this on at the exhaust shop tomorrow. We'll see how that goes, but we'll definitely bring it to you after we get it back if we can't show it. So hope you guys, oh man, more stickers?
More stickers.
Dang.
Show you everything in there. Oh man, they even got installation directions.
Can't beat that.
You gotta think that drive shaft's gonna
It's
move.
gonna come down, yeah.
Yeah, 'cause it's bagged, yeah.
So that's what makes it.
It really ain't nowhere to put it, man. I mean, not make it.
That's no problem. That is no problem. We can just roll forward with the mufflers and not even worry about that.
That cross member's sweet.
All right, so I'm gonna get out of Kent's hair and let him work here in just a minute, but I just wanted to show you guys how well this Tejas cross member makes it for running a larger diameter exhaust and getting it up above getting it tucked inside the frame rail. So he's got it angled down right here, but once it's pulled all the way up, you can't even see it behind the frame rail right there. So he's starting to mock up placement for the Black Widow Venom 250s. We're going to show y'all what it looks like when it gets done. Okay guys, so we just got back to Kent's muffler shop, and I want to give you guys sort of a first-hand look as to what all this looks like under here. So you know we got the budget-minded Speed Engineering shorties coming right off the LS motor, O2 sensor in place, and then Kent's got a setup with a 2.5-inch pipe that runs right under that Tejas cross member, comes right into the Black Widow Venom 250s. And then because we're bagged, can't get over the axle back there because of the Watts link and tank and all the other stuff we got crammed in the back of this thing. We dumped it right before the axle, but he kicked it over a little bit. Something new that we're trying to see if it alleviates some of the drone and pushes some of that sound out the back. At least it won't be just bouncing right off the ground, which is what I don't want it doing. So you can see, really, really clean job. I mean, super duper clean. The same setup running back up on the passenger side and right up into the Speed Engineering header. We even got I believe he put, yeah, so we got the wideband bung there for Alex to run a air fuel gauge to check all that, and we should be in business. How about we fire this thing up and take it off this 4-post.